Hello everyone. So I just want to do a quick overview of these AXL 2.5 inch rollerblade wheel replacements for IKEA chairs. These are for those people who have hardwood floors or any other floor that is easily scratchable. As you know, these standard IKEA chair wheels, these don't even turn. They'll scratch any hardwood floors or anything like that you have. So these are wheels that were made for replacement. This is something I've kind of been wanting to get for a while, and I finally did. Overall, I just want to say they do work as intended. I mean, they are rollerblade wheels, they are rubbery, they're soft, and there's no comparison between the rolling of these and the rollerblade wheels. However, they are 34 bucks. There's a 5-pack, so it's about $7 per wheel. And overall, I just feel like the quality is just a little low. One thing I noticed is that they're very noisy when they turn. I don't know if you can hear that. Just this connection where kind of like the tip that goes into the chair connects to the wheel, it just feels very cheap. When you're rolling the chair, it's just each one of all 5 of these are turning and kind of wobbling, and you kind of get like this type of feeling when you're using it. Overall, this doesn't mean that they don't work at all. I mean, they're working perfectly. The chair rolls great, but it just feels like they should be a little higher quality. Just I wish this was more silent and just like a better connection. It just feels very cheap here. So these are my 2 cents. I tested these out. Clearly, there's no comparison between the two, but the rubber wheels just should be better quality. Also, I did want to mention that they make the chair stay up about 1 inch higher. As you can see, there's about 1 extra inch here for these wheels. So just keep that in mind. Just if your chair, the hands, for example, the arm parts of your chair go perfectly under the table, your chair will be 1 inch higher and may no longer fit under the desk you're trying to use it with. If you're trying to get these, I don't really look into other alternatives. Clearly they work, they serve their purpose. It'd be nicer if they were better, but these are my 2 cents.